Okay guys, so we're here at our day. What's the day today? What's day 10? I think it's day 10. So day 10. So 9 2 1 2 9 10. So it's October 10 10. So we're just gonna make new as of January, as of September, walang cash in. So how much is our balance? 17,568. 10 1 2025. Day 10 na to. 17,568 kasama yung commission dyan eh. Okay, we're gonna up our unit, so let's go. We'll use 250 per unit, so let's go. Let's bet here. I up my unit, so I up it to 250. And then if ever I lose, I'll go back to 50. Okay, we lost here. If ever I lose here, I will go back to 50. So 17,568. So let's try to make 20k. Let's grind until 20k. So October, be good to me, October. It's not being good to me. First 2 bet, loss. Oh, win the third bet is I won the third bet. Ay, mali. Should have bet mali. So, oh, I lost. I should have won that, but I won't chase that loss. Mali. My goodness. Another loss. So bad start. It's a bad start. Bad start for us. So we won't bet there. Bad start. Very bad start for us. Very bad start. So bet to take 2,000. One here. We got the W there. So 1,000, 2,000. Let's go. Oh no. Oh, we get the 2,000. So bad start, but we continue. Our target is 20k, so can bet 3 at the same time. So 250 at the same time. In dollars, this is approximately $5 per unit. It's a tie. Win. It's a 9 picture. Oh no, we lost. This will be 500. Could have won this one because he's 0. Okay. Let's go. Let's win our 10 units. Oh, we won. I lost. No, I win. Okay. Okay, bonsai speed. Today I don't like the lightning, so I won't bet on the lightning. 4-5. It's dangerous. Oh, we won. Lightning, I don't like that. So let's just wait. Just wait and see. Should have won that. Should have won on the lightning. So let's bet on player. First player bet. Okay, let's go. 18,500, so we're up 1,000. 1,500 to be exact with this 250, with this 500 pesos on the table. 7. Good number. So that's a win. Oh, 6 advantage. Oh, that's another win. So 19.5. Okay, we're getting near. We're getting there. So let's go player. We are getting there. Oh, it's a 5. Oh, we won. We're getting there. 0. It's dangerous. Okay, we go 500. Okay, we're getting there. Always 9. This is so hard to beat because he is always 9. 9, okay. It's a tie. Oh, we only need 2 units. 2 units and we can... I didn't able to bet here. We could end that there. Okay, we're hoping we can win 2 units and then boom, it became Coco Crunch. Okay, so fucking tagal. I okay, last unit. So we go here, last unit guys. So after this we're done, then we can cash out 2,500. Okay, give me that last unit. Okay guys, so that's all for today. So we got our unit, we got our win for today. So we will withdraw 2,500. Okay, we withdraw 0. Okay, 2,500. Wrong. Okay, we drew 2,500 and it's good to go. So our balance is 18,000. So total cash out. So okay, okay, got 2,500 on the bag. So thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So we we win always. Okay, you can see. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have in comment on my strategy, please comment down below. If you wanna play in Quantum BBC, I will put the link. So guys, thank you guys.